Do you know the name of the capital of each country of the European continent?
Yes, sir. Of course, you can ask me.
What is the capital of Albania?
The capital city of Albania is Tirana.
What is the capital of Andorra?
The capital city of Andorra is Andorra la Vella.
What is the capital of Austria?
The capital city of Austria is Vienna.
What is the capital of Belarus?
The capital city of Belarus is Minsk city.
What is the capital of Belgium?
The capital city of Belgium is Brussels.
What is the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina?
The capital city of Bosnia and Herzegovina is Sarajevo.
What is the capital of Bulgaria?
The capital city of Bulgaria is Sofia.
What is the capital of Croatia?
The capital city of Croatia is Zagreb.
What is the capital of Cyprus?
The capital city of Cyprus is Nicosia.
What is the capital of Czech Republic?
The capital city of Czech Republic is Prague.
What is the capital of Denmark?
The capital city of Denmark is Copenhagen.
What is the capital of Estonia?
The capital city of Estonia is Tallinn.
What is the capital of Finland?
The capital city of Finland is Helsinki.
What is the capital of France?
The capital city of France is Paris.
What is the capital of Germany?
The capital city of Germany is Berlin.
What is the capital of Greece?
The capital city of Greece is Athens.
What is the capital of Hungary?
The capital city of Hungary is Budapest.
What is the capital of Iceland?
The capital city of Iceland is Reykjavik.
What is the capital of Italy?
The capital city of Italy is Rome.
What is the capital of Latvia?
The capital city of Latvia is Riga.
What is the capital of Liechtenstein?
The capital city of Liechtenstein is Vaduz.
What is the capital of Luxembourg?
The capital city of Luxembourg is Luxembourg City.
What is the capital of Malta?
The capital city of Malta is Valletta.
What is the capital of Moldova?
The capital city of Moldova is Chisinau.
What is the capital of Monaco?
The capital city of Monaco is Monaco.
What is the capital of Montenegro?
The capital city of Montenegro is Podgorica.
What is the capital of Netherlands?
The capital city of Netherlands is Amsterdam.
What is the capital of North Macedonia?
The capital city of North Macedonia is Skopje.
What is the capital of Norway?
The capital city of Norway is Oslo.
What is the capital of Poland?
The capital city of Poland is Lisbon.
Bhul. What is the capital of Portugal?
The capital city of Portugal is Lisbon.
What is the capital of Romania?
The capital city of Romania is Bucharest.
What is the capital of San Marino?
The capital city of San Marino is San Marino.
What is the capital of Serbia?
The capital city of Serbia is Belgrade.
What is the capital of Slovakia?
The capital city of Slovakia is Bratislava.
What is the capital of Slovenia?
The capital city of Slovenia is Ljubljana.
What is the capital of Spain?
The capital city of Spain is Madrid.
What is the capital of Sweden?
The capital city of Sweden is Stockholm.
What is the capital of Switzerland?
The capital city of Switzerland is Kiev.
Wrong answer. What is the capital of Ukraine?
The capital city of Ukraine is Kiev.
What is the capital of United Kingdom?
The capital city of United Kingdom is London.
Very good.
Huh?